Well, I've just finished strapping this absolute beauty, and she's in today for a Honda Vert map on the dyno, so we'll see what power she will get. First thing we've got to do is do some standard dyno runs and see what power she's actually putting out now, basic health checks, and then get crack-a-lacking. But yeah, isn't she lovely? I can see me taking a lot of photographs of this one today. I think I'd own that one. Did you enjoy your little drive out in the FN2 this morning?
It was alright.
Goes well, don't it?
It's alright for an old write-off, isn't it?
Yeah. That's not very nice, Richard. I love my FN2, bro. And today, you're going to be busily mapping cars, aren't you? EP3? This is a nice...
Well, I think that's the plan. I'm sitting in the seat and I've got the laptop again, so we'll see.
I bet it's all warm in there, ain't it, mate?
What, in here?
Yeah.
Why, is it cold out there?
Yeah, it is, mate.
Yeah, the temperature's set just in the middle here, look. It's quite nice. It's blowing on my feet, it's alright.
Do you want to know what's blowing on my feet?
Oh, God, are you going to give me a sob story?
Yeah, that massive dyno fan.
Oh.
It makes me cold, man.
Come on, man. We'll get you in here, have a little hug in that and make
The
it
only
all
warmth
better.
I get is when the fuel is making my eyes stream.
Honestly, man, you'll have me crying in a minute.
There's our kid, put the clutch in today in that Civic. Right, let's do something. Let's do something. Look at the state of it. You what?
I said I'm already doing something. You're the one messing about.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Dad.
It's got an inlet manifold on it. Standard.
Yeah, it's got an inlet manifold
Well,
on it, yeah.
okay. I'll rephrase that. Has it got an aftermarket inlet manifold on it?
I'm going to go and have a look. So Richard has installed the ECU with the Honda Vert board in it, and he's writing the base file, our base file, onto that ECU, which will get us in the ballpark. We'll do a power run, check the AFRs, and then start tuning. All fun and games, ain't it? we go, Richard. Are you happy with that today?
Well, at that particular point there, which is just under 6,000 RPM, we gained a whopping 61 horsepower.
That's amazing, man. That's going to feel like night and day.
It certainly is.
Yeah, it's done well, hasn't it? She's made 240 brake. Let's have a look at the graph. Yeah, so as you can see, that's a massive difference. Red is as it came in, and then obviously the blue line is the Honda Vert map that we have completed today. So gains across the rev range, especially in the mid-range, as Richard says, that's 61 brake horsepower in the mid-range. That's going to feel incredible. And today we finish on 240 brake horsepower, which is 207 at the wheels. There you go. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will do.
Good lad.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.